Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I hope you all will be fine. Students, can you tell me what is in my hand today? Can you guess? Yes, this is Panda. What is this? This is Panda. And Panda starts with sound? P sound. P, Panda. Okay, so we are learning letter P today. What we are learning today? P, letter P, Panda. What is this? This is Panda. Let's write the name of Panda here. Panda. Okay, ji. So, letter P sound is puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Okay, let's learn the letter formation of P. We are going to make a standing line on first three lines. Then backward semicircle on first two lines. This is letter P, uppercase P. We are going to draw a standing line on last three lines. And on the grass line, we are going to make a backward semicircle. This is letter P. We have so many things over here, and let's learn the things. This is a fruit. Can you guess which fruit is this? This is pear. 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 And its color is green. Can you guess which animal is this? This is a bird, and its name is penguin. Its name is penguin. 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 Here, a favorite food. Everybody likes it. What's this? This is pizza. What's this? Pizza. 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 Here is a fruit again. It's a pineapple. It's a pineapple, and pineapple starts with sound. Pineapple. Here you can see it's a potato. Potato starts with sound. Potato. Here it's a pen. 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 And it's a bird again we have here, and it's a parrot. Parrot starts with sound. Parrot. And this is a pencil. What's this? This is a pencil. And pencil starts with sound. Pencil. Here I have few things you can see. This is a paint. What's this? Paint. And paint starts with sound. Paint. I have a pink scissor also. You can see here a pink scissors. Pink scissors. Pink scissors. And here I have the pieces of pink papers. So we have learned so many things with sound. Let's repeat one more time. Panda. Panda. Pear. Penguin. Pizza. Pineapple. And here potato. Pen. Parrot. Pencil. Learn the letter formation in the air. Raise up your two fingers, everyone. Yes, make a standing line and make a backward semicircle. It's letter P. Which letter? Letter P. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you so much.